Dwi'n credu bod yr penderfyniadau cerddorol a creadigol dwi wedi gymryd wedi cael eu dylanwadu'n llwyr gan y magwriaeth a'r ddinas dwi wedi cael y magu ynddi. I think my approach to making music has been as eclectic as the city I'm from, in the sense that it's a bit of everything. And I think my curiosity has driven my artistic choices. Cardiff is somewhere I respond to both positively and negatively in my work, I think. What I find fascinating about cities is that they constantly change. If you live somewhere rural, you're viewing the same view that someone viewed 200 years ago. The Cardiff that I sing about generally is a Cardiff that doesn't exist, and I enjoy the melancholy of that. Dwi wastad i ffeindio dy llais, mae llais i fi wedi bod yn ofod i trio pethau mas ac archwilio syniadau. Dwi wedi gwneud nifer o bethau i wyl llais dros blynydde wirioneddol wedi mwynhau y rhyddid creadigol o fewn perfformiad. A be o'n i'n teimlo oedd bod ni wedi gwneud 3 record bellach ac mae'n teimlo fel rhyw fath o drioleg plentyndod a mae'n teimlo fel yn eitha taclus o safbwynt gwaith. Felly y syniad oedd dyfu gyda tair ton yw bod ni'n mynd ar goreion o'r 3 records ac yn cyflwyno nhw yn eu cyfanrwydd un ar ôl y llall. We're going to have new immersive visuals from artist Sam Whale, which I'm really, really excited about. It's far more digital, which is something that I haven't explored since the first album in a dydd olaf, and very immersive. And yeah, just sort of creating these 3 worlds as almost like a celebration of what we've done so far. A lot o ganeuon dyn ni'n mynd i wneud yn byw o'r blaen, felly ni'n gyffroes am wneud hwnna. Elfennau ychwanegol, dwi'n mynd i gadw'n reit haniaethol. I'm just excited. I think it's going to be just a really lovely way of celebrating everything that's happened so far in the city I'm from.